All right, we bought the house for $75,000. We put 25 into it. After the refinance, we're gonna get 120 back. So I'm gonna make like probably like 15 after title and insurance and all that, and then the lender gets what he makes. Cause he gave me 105,000 when we closed. He made like 5,000, but then he makes, after a month, he makes like 1,000 a month. Like that's all hard money loan. Like that goes in his back pocket. That's not to the interest or anything. And then he gets points every, after that first month, he gets points. Like it's like 3 points or 2 points or something like that. So we renovated everything. I got a really good deal for this Korsky. It's like nicer than granite. It's like scratch resistance. The cabinets was okay. I got all my appliances from Conn's. Got a decent deal, Black Friday. The tile from Lowe's, that was real cheap. This 4th bedroom, it was like all carpet. We put laminate in here. We put the 4-inch baseboards. Everything is new. Everything is new. The baseboards, except the windows. I normally don't replace the windows unless I'm about to sell the house like the last house. But everything is replacing here. And probably like a little bit of sheetrock. This closet is completely new. All the walls are new. The doors. My tenant, one of my tenants over there at Monarch, she's coming over here. She's gonna give me $1,500. I think the mortgage is gonna be between $1,200 and $1,250. So I'll be making like either $250 or $300. I don't know. And all the floors is refinished. This is the real wood. We got 2 coats. Shine it up for me real good. All the doors are brand new. I kind of cheaped out on the closets. I could have put a door there, but things are expensive right now, so I just put the like little accordion joints. But the restroom though, man, the restroom's crazy. It's all brand new. We got the Korsky in there too. We got that glass tile. We refinished the tub. I'm not gonna act like it's new, it's not new. The toilet's new, all new cabinets. Looks really nice. The light fixtures, everything. We put fans in the rooms. Outside is new, the siding, the roof, the AC, the heater, HVAC. We're gonna spray the attic with some insulation, and this house is done. I'm about to make $250, but I already made like 25, 15, between 15 and 25 in the back, and I haven't did the math yet. And then we're gonna keep on pushing. We're gonna go fix up that property she's coming out of. We're gonna just clean up a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna replace some lights. I don't know yet. I'll let y'all know. I'll do the video. Y'all stay with me.